Greetings, everybody. XRP has achieved yet another significant achievement. XRP is now the fourth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, surpassing Binance Coin as a result of the tremendous spike in value over the last week. By the way, holders of XRP wallets with 100,000 to 1 billion balances have reached their greatest point for the year, which has contributed to an amazing price increase. Are you among the community's motivators? Furthermore, what are the chances that Ripple will fork over a lesser fine rather than the original $770 million? And last, why is XRP increasing? Is XRP going to see a significant increase in Ripple's swell? Follow me through to the conclusion to learn more. Check out this new video right now if you think this sounds like something you'd be interested in. Greetings to all, and welcome to our channel where we discuss the most recent developments regarding XRP and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. If this is your first time seeing one of our films, we would like to extend a warm welcome to you. To ensure you never miss another film, we cordially ask you to press the notification bell. We are announcing that 200 XRP will be given away on this channel. Simply like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment with the hashtag XRP to be eligible to participate. The winner will be revealed on November 15th. The largest winners in the cryptocurrency space are still chosen by the open market as the sector develops. This trend is frequently seen in shifts in the market capitalization rankings of the leading assets. One such unusual shift sees XRP's price surpass Binance Coin to become the fourth largest cryptocurrency. With a market cap of $37.2 billion, XRP has surpassed BNB, which is currently valued at $37.1 billion, according to statistics from CoinMarketCap. Notably, XRP's significant 22% increase over the previous week allowed it to close the gap between its market cap and BNB's. BNB only had a 7% increase over that time, unable to keep up with the market as a whole since a bullish wave resumed in October. BNB has decreased by 0.12% during the last day to trade at $244. XRP, on the other hand, has increased by 10% and has both technical and fundamental signs that point to future growth. The competition between XRP and BNB to become the fourth largest cryptocurrency reveals contrasting outcomes. Specifically, the fact that Ripple has won several court battles against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is partly responsible for the spike in XRP pricing. Two significant rulings in favor of Ripple have come from the courts, which decided that XRP is not a security when sold on a secondary market and rejected the SEC's attempt to appeal that important ruling. The regulatory agency appears to have withdrawn its ongoing charges against Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen as a result of those two losses. Additionally, it has strengthened investor confidence that a resolution is imminent. But in regards to Binance's legal disputes with the SEC, not much progress has been made. Remember when the SEC filed a securities law lawsuit against Binance and its CEO, Changpeng Zhao, in June? The action not only precipitated a sharp decline in BNB's price, but also hindered its growth, even when the cryptocurrency market as a whole recovered. On the year-to-date chart, BNB is still down 1%, whereas XRP has more than doubled in value since January. XRP is now trading at approximately $0.68, having begun the year at $0.33. To be the first to know about new updates, remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Regarding the most recent events concerning XRP. According to data from the cryptocurrency monitoring portal Sentiment, the value of XRP has also increased to its highest point since August 2. According to data from the cryptocurrency monitoring portal Sentiment, the value of XRP has also increased to its highest point since August 2. The value of the cryptocurrency increased by 8.87% last week, and it is presently worth $0.67. In contrast to Bitcoin, XRP's growth appears to have decoupled during the last 3 months. Sentiment data supports this since XRP has increased by 23% in value relative to Bitcoin in the last week. Given that XRP's market capitalization is up 8.6% and its trading volume is up 157.66% overnight, the upswing in the cryptocurrency looks widespread. Sentiment discussed some of the salient features of the XRP ecosystem, such as social dominance and whale mindset. According to the graphic, XRP wallets with 100,000 to 1 billion tokens currently possess 45.8% of the total supply, which is a record high for the year. Considering the unpredictable rise in this class of XRP holders from August 12 to the present, this record is astounding. The XRP whale population was remarkably elevated between the middle of August and about September 21, at which point their holdings as a percentage of the entire supply fell sharply. Up until October 23, this whale account as a percentage of the entire supply was stable, but occasional increases were welcomed. The rally shown on camera highlights the XRP whale's unwavering behavior in the face of favorable legal certainty now attached to the coin in the US. In addition, XRP's social dominance is at its greatest level since mid-July, which supports this whale perspective. The sentiment figure illustrates how XRP's talk on social media platforms increases as its price rises. Since mid-July, the media has seen the biggest surge. Notably, Ripple Labs' legal wins against the US SEC in August and October have contributed to the growing mood surrounding XRP. In addition, whales are betting on the enormous chances that the XRPL's prognosis offers. The XRP ledger is introducing several features that, despite some debate, the XRPL protocol can compete with its Layer 1 peers against all odds, as seen by the rise of its sidechain Zaha, which could benefit XRP in the long run. Since XRP has already surpassed the $0.65 threshold, it may eventually reach the $1.10 to $1.40 price range. Moreover, lawyer John Deaton, the XRP community's legal representative, attorney John Deaton, has persisted in providing information on what can happen during the next phase of the SEC Ripple lawsuit's remedies. Spokesman for the XRP community has persisted in providing information about what might happen during the next stage of the SEC Ripple lawsuit's remedies. Deaton made a conjecture in a tweet yesterday that Ripple would have to pay less in fines rather than the $770 million that the SEC is requesting. It's important to remember that the $770 million came from sales of XRP by Ripple to institutional customers, which the court said was unlawful on July 13. Because of its institutional sales, Ripple may have to pay a fine of up to $770 million for breaking federal securities regulations. Remarkably, lawyer Deaton stated that because of the SEC's earlier claims, Ripple could be required to pay a lower amount in penalties. Deaton claims that the SEC indicated in several of its briefs that up to 95% of Ripple's XRP sales might occur outside of the US. Applying the calculation to the $770 million in XRP sold to institutional clients, Deaton pointed out that only $38.5 million remains after an astounding $731.5 million is subtracted from the total. Attorney Deaton further contended that Ripple would try to subtract reasonable business expenditures from the anticipated fines. According to Deaton, the SEC's expenditure of resources in the Ripple case after the business settled the penalties is unjustifiable. A few hours after criticizing cryptocurrency advocates who assert that the SEC won 50-50, Deaton made his remarks. According to the lawyer for the XRP holders, the court's decision was more along the lines of 90-10 in the blockchain company's favor. Furthermore, if Ripple pays a punishment of $20 million or less, the pro-XRP attorney predicted that the company would win 99.9% of the case against the SEC. It is important to note that the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit is presently in the phase of remedies. The parties are required by the court to provide a joint briefing schedule about the remedies by November 9 at the latest. If the parties are unable to reach a consensus before the deadline, they will request jointly that the court set a date for the briefing. Leading attorneys have been speculating about possible defenses that a blockchain corporation would use in the remedies briefing as the deadline draws near. Remarkably, in a recent tweet, lawyer Jeremy Hogan added his voice to the conversation. Attorney Hogan cited the court's conclusion that disgorgement must be equitable in the SEC v. Liu case. Hogan claimed that as a result, Ripple would be exempt from the possible $770 million in fines for its reasonable business expenditures. Additionally, he projected that sales that fell outside the purview of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission would be subtracted from the total amount. Attorney Hogan added that the recent Second Circuit decision, which maintained that victims should receive disgorgement, might also be critical in the remedies briefing. Hogan said that for Ripple to be held accountable, XRP holders would have to have experienced monetary losses. The key query of the day is now, why is XRP increasing? Is Ripple's swell holding up something significant for XRP? XRP rising. Will XRP see a major uptick in the Ripple swell? Please remember to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to be the first to learn more about the most recent developments around XRP. The total price increase for XRP over the previous 7 days is noteworthy at over 30%. Additionally, the digital asset staged a bullish leap on the last day to surpass $0.68, one of its greatest marks in the previous 3 months. According to CoinMarketCap data, traders on the cryptocurrency market exchanged $2.49 billion worth of XRP in a single day. This number is 162.4% higher than the value that was reported the day before. The price of XRP has been affected by its increased volume, which coincides with a crucial conference. In Dubai, Ripple is hosting. Specifically, coming Wednesday and Thursday in Madinat Jumeirah, Dubai, is Ripple Swell, an event featuring the brightest brains in finance, blockchain, and fiscal policy. According to Kahneman, there could be important announcements made at this year's CEL event. Some of the possibilities include an IPO, getting a license from vale, talking about digital currencies for central banks, talking about developments in stablecoins and tokenization, and maybe drawing in new users. It could provide information about whether Ripple still sees itself largely as a payment-focused company after a year of comparatively quiet. In addition, the conference is expected to welcome more than 600 people, include 80 renowned speakers, and include attendees from more than 40 countries. Given the importance of this event and how it can influence Ripple's business plan, the XRP community is quite interested in what will happen and how it might benefit XRP. The idea that Ripple will use the occasion to announce its plan to go public through an initial public offering, IPO, is one of the main topics of conjecture. Notably, Wall Street analyst Linda Jones has predicted that Ripple's stock price may rise above $600 after the IPO. His heightened focus could lead to a rise in the market value of XRP. This price of Ripple's shares surpasses $600. The likelihood of XRP's price rising to double digits may materialize. Although there are some worries and unfavorable opinions about how a Ripple IPO might impact XRP, the majority of XRP supporters think that this would be a crucial step in encouraging XRP adoption and driving up the price of the cryptocurrency. Verify that you enjoy the video and don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe. This is a huge assistance for the YouTube algorithm. Additionally, by forwarding this video to as many people as you can aid in enlightening others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Guys, let's spread this word far and wide. If you truly love cryptocurrencies, read all of our material. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects our community as a whole.